Well, hello, it's Pastor Center, the blue collar preacher. My wife's getting tired of being cooped up in a little house on the bluffs, and our big house is kind of put on the back burner for now because of the price of materials. Everything's going through the roof. So what we're going to do instead, you can see all my tools behind me here, not all of them, but some of them hanging up. We're going to turn the shop into a bed and breakfast, 2 units. One a 2-bedroom unit, 2-bed, 2-bath unit, and one a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, but ADA compliant unit with all hand grab bars, toilet in the right spot, shower, curbless shower, and all 3-0 doors and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Well, the backhoe's too big for the barn, so we went and bought something that would fit inside the barn. Had my brother Duker weld me up some brackets to bolt this thing up nice and solid to the skiddy now. That's what my wife wants to call it. Got our water line dug to our mechanical room here. Going to be from this post to this post, about 8 feet wide mechanical for the water heaters and other breakers, and well, not the breaker box, but it's about 3 feet deep, a little more than 3 feet deep, all the way out to the shut-off valve. Okay, here's some more underground plumbing. Shower, vanity sinks and a vent, toilet, and tub. Now this tub, we went and wrapped it with, I didn't glue that down below, and I'll leave a note for myself in case I need to do some adjusting or redo stuff, but we wrapped it with foam because it's so close to the outer edge, and just trying to keep it out of the frost line. This is not a monolithic pour building. Just going to pour concrete up to the edge, build on top of it like a typical pole barn. So I went ahead and went down about 30 inches with the foam just to keep it above in the frost line area. You never know, it might freeze underneath here. I'm outside there, it might freeze underneath, so we just want to keep it warm inside underneath the bathtub. Okay, got all the stuff in for the ADA. That's an ADA compliant, going to be toilet. They're supposed to be 18 inches off the edge of the wall. I strained where the edge of the wall is. Got a shower over there that's going to be a curbless shower. Wall for the kitchen and the laundry, and then a vent and for the vanity that goes over there.